Often you see a 1950 sedan delivery as awesome as this one. Full body off frame restoration, all the upgrades, four-wheel disc brakes, overdrive trans, air conditioning. I'll tell you all about that in a second. Hey, I'm Jay Grams from the Volo Auto Museum. We have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. Go to volocars.com. You'll see the pricing, all the specs on this car and a few hundred others. We have photos, videos, financing, shipping. We have a whole staff of people here that can help put this car in your driveway anywhere in the world. Any questions, concerns, thoughts about an old car, feel free to contact us. Let's take this one for a spin. You know, you can make this car completely pay for itself. If you have a business, you put your business name on the side here with a decal and you use it to promote, and it'll be a tax write-off. Everything you do to it will come off your taxes as a business expense. If you just want to buy it for fun, you can still think of something creative, some fun name to put on there. Now they use decals, you put it on, take it off, no harm done. This has been body off the frame restored, completely solid rust-free vehicle to begin with. They put a good coating on the original floors and all the chassis redone. Up front it's got new suspension parts. It's got four-wheel disc brakes. Look at the blue color. I'm a sucker for this blue. It's stunning. It's show quality. It's laser straight. It's a clear coat that's polished out like a mirror. Every piece of trim. The stainless doesn't have a dent. It's all shiny. Every piece of chrome, all redone. All new glass except for the back door. And this is smoked glass, not a stick-on tint, but actually smoked glass. It has Foose wheels. Everyone's opinion's different. If it were me, I'd play with the stance a little bit. I would drop it down a little bit more. Everything up front here is pristine. The lettering in the grille here, the medallions, the hood ornament, the lenses, it's all beautiful. The wiper blades are even polished. Under the hood here is a 2-port injected 350 motor. Everything's loaded with polished aluminum radiator, aluminum air conditioning compressor, all the aluminum pulleys with the serpentine belt. It's got like a, I'm not technical, but it's a high-rise injection unit. Polished valve covers, spark plug wire holders, has a smooth firewall, all painted, electric fan on the radiator. The interior is all redone, done to the same quality as the exterior. You got all that room, it's carpeted and all upholstered around the whole interior of that compartment there. Done really nice. It's got a beautiful steering wheel on a tilt column, blue digital gauges, power seat, both seats recline. It's got the big deluxe console with the cup holders, power windows. The dash is painted as nice as the outside, so are the jambs. All the rubber grommets and seals are done. It's a really, really nice truck. The upholstery is excellent. Everything is just meticulous. The vents are cut into the dash beautifully. Nice vintage air controls. Has a stereo system. Upgraded wiring and fuse system. Polished aluminum radiator. It's got aluminum heads. That's a ZV4 motor with a 2-port injection on it. The hood lines up nice and square. There's no chips on the edges like a lot of them get. The latches are chromed. This thing is straight. I could imagine, whether you own a business or not, just having a good time with this. It's beautiful. It's built right. I mean, it's really built well. I'm very impressed, very happy I purchased this one. Give you a peek inside one more time. Plenty of room. It's got to be rare. I don't ever see these, especially this nice. Got Foose wheels on it. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com, check out all the pictures, get in touch with us. Any questions or comments about this car, let us know. But I'm telling you, this is a good one. I'd get in it and just drive it. I would use this thing. If you have a business, you have no idea how much attention a car like this gets. You just park it out front. You don't have to actually run deliveries in it, but just parking it by your business, driving it around, people see it, catches attention. So if you have any questions, let us know. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting several cars like this a day. You'll be the first one to see them if you're subscribed. And go to volocars.com for any information. Thank you.